Hello everyone! Today we'll be doing a deep osteopathic routine for the lower face. Our focus is on a defined jawline, proper structure, and natural rejuvenation. The exercises we are going to do today will help restore muscle tone and keep your angle of youth sharp and defined. Grab your mirrors, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Steam curls in the low light, your laugh in the corner, slow motion in plain sight. Soft midnight steam, you lean in, blur my view. Soft like a dream, room fades out, it's just you. Your hand draws lazy shapes, you talk about nothing. I feel the ground escape.
Woke up with the room still dark, but my chest felt bright. Little voice saying softly, this time you're right. Used to overthink every step, turn wins into maybes, counting all the cracks in the path till the doubt went crazy. Now I'm walking out my front door, shoes on, heart steady. Future in the rear view mirror, smiling like it's ready. Yes, everything will work out for me. Now I know it for sure. Like the sun keeps finding the sea, I'm not guessing anymore. Every closed door turns into a key, falling forward to more. Yes, everything will work out for me. Everything will work out for me. Everything will work out for me. Lost sleep on the what ifs, shadow boxing with the past, chasing every worst case picture till the moment ran past. Now I circle dates on the fridge, dreams in my handwriting, talking to myself in a glass. Hey, you're done with hiding. Everything will work out for me. Now I know it for sure. Like the sun keeps finding the sea, I'm not guessing anymore. Every closed door turns into a key, falling forward to more. Yeah, everything will work out for me. Yeah, I've been broken, but I'm not broken down. Learn how to stand up on uneven ground. Every little failure folding in a form. I'm the calm in the middle of my own storm. Yeah, yeah.
to a stranger at a store. But they don't know the weight that you've carried on your back. How you turned every goodbye into one more comeback. What if you were on your side just once? Just try, talk to your reflection like you talk to a friend of mine. Love yourself out loud, turn that whisper to a shout. Stand up in your own skin like finally moved in. Love yourself right here, every scar, every fear. You're the one you've been waiting for. So love yourself, love. Start small, one breath, one thought at a time. I'm enough in the morning, I'm still here at night. You're not broken, just unfolding. Watch your own heart open wide. Love yourself out. Slow drip coffee, steam on the window, late afternoon. You trace your name in the glass like it means something new. You kick your shoes, feet on the cushion, head on my arm. Outside is rush, in here it's quiet and warm. Stay a little longer in this low light, talking about nothing till it sounds right. Breathing in the silence, letting time slide. Soft and slow tonight. Phone face down, your laugh hangs over the room.